We're gonna do some breakfast burritos today, but they're special breakfast burritos, right?
Oh yeah.
What's special about them?
The 360 breakfast burritos.
Crusted
Crusted.
360 breakfast burritos. This is my oldest son. He's our breakfast burrito connoisseur and has made a good business out of breakfast burritos. I had started selling breakfast burritos out at my work for a lot of the guys and was making little extra money doing that, and I just burned out on it. Then Kel took over and started selling them at his school and was actually making pretty good money selling breakfast burritos. You want to tell them the story?
Sometime early 2020, I would start selling breakfast burritos, both just bacon, egg, cheese, potato, and chorizo and eggs. I would sell 3 times a week. Ended up making about $1.60 every week. And it was pretty good profit.
Sorry, that's hip terms, I guess. $1.60. He made a little bit more than $1.60, unless we're talking modern day lingo. My bad, I'm old.
$160 a week.
Hi, Inches.
But the dean ended up catching on to me about it and shut me down one day.
Stole his burritos.
Pretty sure she ended up eating a couple because when I went to pick them up, there was less than when she took.
Business license rejected at that point. Actually, he had no business license, but anyway, he came home at one point, or actually one weekend morning, and said something about, Dad, I'm gonna make you a 360 breakfast burrito. And I was like, what? These things are incredible. Absolutely incredible. So I enlisted his help, and we're gonna make some breakfast burritos this morning. So let's get going. We're gonna start with our potatoes. I'm sure you know how to cook the majority of this stuff, but the ending results and the presentation and how it's put together
It's special.
Yeah, that's what makes it different, and it really does change the flavor. So we'll start with our potatoes. We'll get those chopped up, and let's do this. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. We're gonna do thin slices, and then we'll quarter these. For your potatoes, get it going on high, medium. Add some oil. Don't use what, Kel?
Butter.
No, in the hot oil.
Plastic spatula.
Yes, we have ruined some plastic spatulas this week, haven't we, Kel?
A couple.
All right. Once your oil's nice and hot, get your potatoes added. Make sure they're separated. And we season. Some black pepper. Some kosher salt. Some garlic powder. And some smoked paprika. We'll let those sizzle for a bit. Cal has some nice thick bacon. We're gonna lay it out on an aluminum foil covered pan, and we'll get that baking 400 degrees. After your potatoes start getting some brown crunchy going on the bottom of them, you're gonna stir them up. See there, we got some good brown crunchy going on for texture. You like the texture, Kel?
Oh yeah.
Gives it a little extra flavor too. So once you have a good mix on them, we're gonna go ahead and cover it, and we'll lower it to about a medium low, and we'll let those go for a bit. Kel's getting our eggs going for us, and this is where the difference starts in a 360 burrito. Kel is our egg master. He even has his own preferred egg salt. What are we using?
Himalayan pink salt.
Yeah. So, little milk to fluff, little pepper, how much salt?
About 2 pinches.
Chef Kel prefers cooking spray over butter. So what kind of egg are you making, Kel?
Flat egg is best for the 360 burritos.
This is a flat egg, or what we have lovingly referred to as a pizza egg. Do you have to flip it?
Yeah, once all of the more watery part goes away, then we can flip it.
Is that a cooking term? More watery part?
Yes, it's very culinary.
Oh,
Perfect.
we're about 20 minutes in. Potatoes are done. We're gonna turn those off. Kel's going on egg number 2.
Hot handle.
All right, taste test the potatoes. We got a head nod.
They're pretty good.
Where's the normal moaning and stuff when you eat?
It's been silenced.
Top notch.
Oh yeah.
All right, now we build.
First, you're gonna want to add a thin layer of cheese just directly onto the tortilla. Just get it spread out a little bit. Then, want to put your flat egg over that. Second, nice.
This would be third.
Yeah, third. Some nice strips of bacon and split it in half. Lay it across your tortilla like that. Now for the potatoes, just want a nice layer of potatoes over the bacon.
Are you gonna put more cheese on top of all that?
Of course.
Ooh.
Last ingredient inside. A nice layer of cheese. This way. Forgot which way I was looking.
Fold or roll?
Either way.
Kel's building Dad's This one I'm doing with some avocado. Again, everything that we're doing is just an idea. You can put whatever you want into these. So what? A suggestion, Kel?
That's exactly what it is.
Oh, yum. Now we're going to do the crusted part. Have you ever, of course you've ever, when you cook a grilled cheese or you have something that is being grilled that the cheese runs off on and gets on the grill and gets a little crispy and like oh so tasty, you've experienced that, right?
Yum.
We got a yum over there, Kel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do with this. We're gonna add a nice little cheesy crust to the outside of this burrito. Saw a guy, street vendor actually down in LA that does this. So not an original idea, but good. We got our hot griddle going. Gonna lay some cheese flat down on there like that. You can already hear it starting to go. We're gonna get our 360 burrito, lay it right on top of there like that. Any excess that's spilling out that's not on the burrito, wrap it up underneath it like that and make it stick. Once that is going good, we're gonna throw another handful of cheese right down there like that. And we're gonna roll this bad boy over onto it. And look at that. Oh my God. Absolutely amazing there. We got a cheese crust going. We'll get that a little bit more done once. Could even do a little on the outsides if we wanted. But this is gonna take this 360 burrito, which was already amazing, over the top. Look at that right there. Boom! Spank your burrito. Tell it how good it's gonna be. Is that amazing? Is that amazing?
Beautiful.
Now, do we want some on the sides?
Might as well.
You want some on the sides? Just throw a little down, hold it like that. Good grief, that is gonna be amazing. Get a little going down there. We'll stand the puppy up, just like that. So with mine, I'm gonna throw down a couple jalapeno rings along with our cheese crust. And then our burrito. There's the jalapeno layer. Got a little avocado gushing out there, but that's fine. That'll be just fine. Kel already got started on his burrito. It's making me finish up my own.
What you didn't get you weren't wrong.
Wow.
How's the crunch?
Cheese adds a whole new layer.
It literally does.
And metaphorically. Wow.
Look at that. There's mine. Jalapenos in there. This is what the 360 burrito does. Oh, listen to that crunch. Oh, you cut through that crunch. Take a look at this. There's a 360 burrito right there. Time to burn the mouth. That looks so good though. That looks amazing. That is ridiculous. Oh my God. The jalapeno, the avocado, the bacon, the egg, the potatoes, the crispy cheese. Give it a shot. Thank you guys for watching. Kel, thank you for joining me and teaching us how to do the 360 burrito. Guys, be sure to subscribe to Eat This Grinds and Cocktails. Give it a thumbs up. Share it. Share it with everyone. Have a good day.